everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Udoh, and every week I share great content you can implement to master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So if this is your first time here, thank you very much for joining me, and please pardon my video today. I'm actually driving to an appointment, so I just wanted to shoot this quick video. Today's topic is on how to create wealth and abundance. Now, before we get right into it, I just want to give you a little disclaimer. I am not a tax professional. I am not a tax advisor. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube sharing great content with my fellow subscribers and my fellow YouTube neighbors, just to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Because at the end of the day, it all comes down to, finances. And most of the issues that we have today in the world all stems from, financial discipline and financial education and financial literacy. So that's what my channel is all about, trying to help people share great content to help people master their personal finance and also grow their wealth. So let's jump right into it. So how do you create wealth and abundance? Now, I'm on my journey as well to creating wealth and abundance. I'm not coming to you as someone who's already achieved all I want to achieve in life. I'm in the process as well, which is why I'm sharing some of the knowledge and experiences that I have gained from, trying to create wealth and also live an abundant lifestyle. So the first thing has to be with your mindset. You have to have the right mindset. It all stems from what are you listening to? What are you surrounding yourself with? Who are your friends? Who are the people you have around you? What are the external factors that are affecting you? Okay, that's affecting your mindset. So you can either have an abundant life mindset, or you might have a mindset of deprivation, of scarcity. So it depends on your mindset. So once you've figured out your mindset, once you've decided that you're gonna have an abundant mindset, then that's half of the battle. So you want to make sure that you are surrounding yourself with positive people, with people who are aspiring to achieve things in life. Get rid of negativity in your life, okay, which affects your mindset. All right, so you always want to make sure that you guard your mindset, because whatever external stimuli you put into yourself affects your mindset. So if you're constantly watching things, with violence, or watching things with a lot of, heartache, or all sorts of negative things impact your mindset. So it depends on what books you're reading, what kind of music you're listening to, all that affects your mindset. So number one, you have to guard your mindset. You must have the right mindset. Number two has to do with your habits. What are your habits? Do you just coast through life doing certain things? We're all creatures of habit. Okay, if you look at your daily routine, what are your habits? Do you have the habit of reading? Are you into reading, books, or listening to audiobooks? What habits do you have? Do you have a habit of, exercising, going to the gym? How's your diet? So those are all habits that we have. Now, having control of your habits, or having the right type of habits, will also lead to wealth creation and abundance. So number two, you have to check your habits. Number three, you want to create income. You have to have a way to create more income, not just having a regular job. I have a regular job, but I also have things that I'm doing, okay, to create more income for myself. So you want to make sure that you create income for yourself, extra income for yourself. And one of the secrets to creating wealth has to do with service. You have to provide service or products to the marketplace, and in return you will be compensated. So this is the only secret to wealth creation that most people don't know. You have to be of service to your fellow mankind or humankind or womankind, whatever you want to put it. You have to be of service to people, and in return you will be compensated. So if you look around you, most of the successful people around you provide either a service or a product. They're actually providing something to the marketplace, and in return they're compensated. So if you want to be wealthy, if you want to create abundance in your life, you have to have a service mindset. What can you do for people? What are people in need of? And then you will be compensated. So you have to create income. You have to create a lot of income for yourself. You can't just rely on your job. Your job provides you a foundation, and then anything above that, you have to work to create more income for yourself. Now, you might be fortunate, you might have a high-paying job or have a nice career where you're earning a lot of money. However, for most people, that's not the case. It's only a small segment of the population in the United States actually make, six-figure income. The rest of the population don't make a six-figure income. And then for those that make a six-figure income, that's all they have, just their jobs. Okay, they're not thinking of, investing and trying to grow their wealth. All right, so some people might have a retirement plan at their place of employment, but that's the extent to what sort of investing they have. All right, which brings me to the next point, which is number 4. You want to invest in income producing assets. When I talk about income producing assets, I'm talking real estate, starting small businesses. That's another way to invest in assets. You can invest in startups, you can start your own business, but you have to find a way to invest in income producing assets and not liabilities. Most of us invest in put our money into liabilities we think are investments, but they're actually liabilities that are taking money out of your pocket. So how do you determine if something is an asset or something's a liability? Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket. So you want to make sure that you're investing your money in income producing assets, real estate, businesses, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. So those are some of the things that you can do, to increase your net worth and also create wealth for yourself and abundance. So if you like my topics, if you like my channel, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. So thank you so much for being here. And just to summarize again, this particular video was on how to create wealth and abundance, and here are the 4 things to keep in mind again, just to summarize. Number 1, your mindset. You have to have the right mindset. Number 2, your habits. What are your habits? Do you have bad habits, or do you have good habits or great habits? So your habits affects you as well. Number 3, you have to find ways to increase your income. There is no way to build wealth and abundance without income. So income is crucial. You have to increase your income. No two ways about it. If you want to be wealthy, if you want to create abundance, you got to increase your income. And finally, once you start generating that income, you want to invest your money. Have your money work for you, okay? Invest in income producing assets, which will in turn multiply and create more wealth for you and more abundance. So thank you so much for being here. And as usual, I appreciate you all. And I hope you found value in my videos. And don't forget to watch the next video coming up now. It contains information that you might enjoy, okay? Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.